Okay there, so let's get started with this. This is a Amazon survival kit that I ordered. So let's open it up and see what's inside in case you were curious. On the outside you've got a American flag patch and a little cross patch there. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So going one side at a time here, we have got some Q-tips and two different sizes rolls of gauze. Inside here, we got gone. We got some boo-boo stickers. Looks like they got some fingertip bandages and some regular bandages in there as well. You get a poncho. And then here, we've got some sting relief, some antiseptic towels, a lot of alcohol prep pads, a lot of those, and some soap wipes. That's in one side. Over here, we've got another little zipper pouch. Inside we have a pair of tweezers, some safety pins, those always come in handy. Pocket knife. It's actually a pretty heavy duty feeling pocket knife. Not serrated, pretty sharp. Lock blade, it's got the thumb screw so it opens easy. It also has a clip in case you want to wear it in your pocket. Lanyard hole. No, I don't think you can really use that for a window breaker, but it kind of looks like it's trying to be one. Triangle bandage. This is, I'm guessing, a tourniquet of some sort to be used by professionals. Here is some tape. This is for CPR. This is to cover the other person's mouth so you don't get any of their funky germs while you're trying to help them. And here is a pack of disposable gloves, one pair. Those definitely come in handy when you're giving somebody mouth to mouth. You don't want any of their funky mouth germs or their funky other germs. So now we've survived the medical trauma portion of our survival kit. Let's see what's on the survival side here. We have two glow sticks, 6 inches. Back to the, got some medical crossover here. But here's a pair of bandage shears. Feel pretty good. Stainless steel. We have a fire starter with a striker. That's pretty nice. You get the scraper and the striker. There's a rod in there. Also, you probably can't pick that up on the camera too well. Check on here. We have a headlamp with a strap. And okay, make sure you're prepared before you go out with some AAA batteries, because this does not come with batteries, but that's okay. So we got hiding in here. Okay, got some cotton balls, eye pads, some gauze, like some adhesive wound dressing. So basically over here we got some gauze, some eye patches. There's a lot of eye problems when you're out in the woods. Sticks and things. See what's going on here. Compress for burn. And that's it for inside of there. And this is like a hobo knife. So you can have some grub out there. You got the fork, you got the spoon, and you got the knife. And it also, let me do this gracefully here, comes apart so you can have your fork and your spoon separate, or your knife separate as well. So everything does fit back in there too. Once you pull it out, you can close it up and zip it back up, which is also very important. So, in conclusion, with the Amazon survival kit, it'd be good for a glove box or a center console of your truck or underneath the seat or something, maybe in a backpack. It's got good stuff for any kind of injuries you might, minor injuries you might have happen. And you got something to start fire and something to keep lights on, something to eat with, assuming you've got something to eat is another thing. But I think it's a good little kit. It's got a bunch of bandages and things in it, a little headlamp and stuff like that. Nothing too fancy, but it's pretty inexpensive. It's $30, and this is the most popular survival kit on Amazon. And it comes in this nice bag, so even, you could add some more stuff to it. There's some more room in there. Like I said, I still get it zipped up. You can adjust it and put stuff in there that you'd like a little better, or you can leave it as is. And if you have any kind of injury or anything like that, you got some bandages. This is Master SOS, is who this particular brand is, but this was the, according to Amazon, #1 selling survival kit on Amazon. But I thought I'd open it in case anybody was looking at it like I did and wondered what was inside. Now you know. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hope you guys are having a good night. Talk to you later.